Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about food poisoning. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time to do it. It's right there is the little red button that says subscribe. Click on it, turn it gray, then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I put out one of these informational videos and you don't miss anything. Alrighty, food poisoning. What can I tell you about food poisoning? Well, first of all, I think everyone knows a little bit about food poisoning, but most people don't know how to deal with it and stuff. Well, I'm not a doctor and I'm not going to tell you how to deal with it. I'm just reminding you to put on your list of things to do is to do some research, find out what you need to do to take care of food poisoning. Talk to your doctor, find out if there's any over-the-counter medicines that you can store. I know there are some. I'm not going to tell you what those are because that would be giving out a type of medical advice I don't want to be liable for. So do your research, find out what you need, store that medication. Also, remember, take proper care when doing canning and cooking prep so you don't wind up with contaminated food. All right? As always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish, and keep adding to your preps for all around food, water, medicines, clothing, materials, and everything else because, well, this is why.